Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The Galaxy Watch line has been one of the most popular smartwatch series on the market since its introduction. And the Galaxy Watch 6 promises to be another fantastic addition. We'll be discussing all the new features and improvements that we hope to see in this upcoming release. Firstly, let's talk about the release date. While Samsung hasn't officially announced when the Galaxy Watch 6 will be coming out, based on past releases, we can make an educated guess. It's likely that we'll see the new watch hit the shelves sometime in the third quarter of 2023. So, what do we want to see from the Galaxy Watch 6? Well, for starters, we're hoping for a new classic model. While the sporty look of the regular Galaxy Watch is great for fitness enthusiasts, not everyone wants a watch that looks like a workout accessory. The classic model would offer a more traditional look, giving users the option to wear it in any setting. Another thing we're hoping for in the Galaxy Watch 6 is improved compatibility for non-Samsung smartphone users. Currently, it can be difficult to recommend a Galaxy Watch to anyone who doesn't have a Samsung phone. However, since the software is now built on the Wear OS platform, we believe it's in everyone's best interest for the health tracking tools to be accessible to all Android smartphone users. Speaking of health tracking, we're also excited about the potential addition of non-invasive blood glucose monitoring in the Galaxy Watch 6. This feature has been rumored for some time now and would be a significant development in the world of smartwatches. While it wouldn't be a replacement for traditional glucose monitoring systems, it could offer users a convenient and easy way to get an idea of their blood sugar levels. We're also hoping to see improvements in the display and battery life departments. The Galaxy Watch 5 had a beautiful and vibrant display, but we'd love to see even sharper resolution and brighter colors. Additionally, while the battery life was already impressive, we'd be thrilled to see it extended even further. Overall, we're very excited about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and can't wait to see what it has to offer. With the addition of a classic model, improved compatibility, and new health features, we think it has the potential to be one of the best smartwatches on the market. So, mark your calendars for the third quarter of 2023, and get ready to experience all that the Galaxy Watch 6 has to offer. Let us know in the comments what features you are most excited about. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and other tech news.